Hey everyone, now we are back again with the unboxing video. So without wasting any time, let's start. Like, okay, let's open up. Again, as per yesterday's unboxing videos, same kind of packaging, good type of packaging as I mentioned in yesterday. If you haven't watched that video, you can check out playlist for those unboxing videos. So let's open this soon. Okay. Oh my god, this is so tape. Full of tape. Tape, 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 and tape, and tape. Okay, finally we are in. So let's quickly check the condition of the coins. Okay, here we are. So here the condition is, as you can see clearly, all are UNC in condition. I think this is a mixed year coins. All four different years are available, I think so. 71 and 69. All are in super good condition. You can see all are in UNC condition. So this lot is exactly opposite than yesterday's. Yesterday out of 100 coins we got only 34. I mean 34 coins are not worth, and I will update a shorts video for that. So let's count now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 38 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100. Yeah guys, so totally we have 100 coins in this lot. not more, also not less. So all of total 100 UNC coins. All these will be for sale sooner on our website. If you want, you can check www.antiquerelic.in or Google search Antique Relic. So that's all guys. Hit the like button.